A wife mourns for her husband. This is a poetic or narrative expression of a wife's grief after losing her husband. The story delves into her emotional turmoil and reflects on the depth of her love, mourning his absence and her loneliness. A wife's mourning for her husband reveals emotional loss and the deep connection they had. Her sorrow can represent the love and loyalty they shared. Will also reflect on life, death, and the nature of relationships. This grief may force her to reconsider her sense of purpose and identity as she adapts to life without him. A wife mourns for her husband is a deeply emotional poem that explores themes of grief, love, and loss. The wife mourning her husband's death expresses deep sadness and loneliness. The poem portrays the pain of losing someone close and the emptiness that comes with it. The grief shows how much the wife's life has been changed by her husband's death and how strong their love remains, even in his absence. The speaker reminds us of the deep connection between love and loss, even in the face of death. The wife's mourning honors the love she shared with her husband, encouraging us to reflect on the significance of love and loss.